Miss Susan? Yes? Today is Wednesday, right? It is. That means today is the math test, right? It is. That means I don't get to be a teacher today, right? Well, I'll tell you what. Why don't you do the review of the days and the weeks and that stuff, okay? We don't have time to do counting, but you can do the other part, okay? Is that a plan? Yeah, thanks. Okay. So you don't have to stand up. Make sure your brain is on, okay? Okay, let's see. We're going to start with Lizelle. Lizelle, how many days in a week? Lizelle? 7. Allison, how many months in a year? Allison? 12. Steffi, how many hours in a day? 12. Saudi, how many seconds in a minute? 60. Alessandro, how many minutes in an hour? 60. Dariel, how many inches in a foot? 12. Alessandra, how many inches in a yard? 36. Avi, how many feet in a yard? 3. And let's see. Andres, how many things in a dozen? In a dozen. 12. And we count, let's see. Hazard, I want you to count to 200 by 25. 25, 50, okay? Hazard, you count to 200. Did everybody hear him? Well, I'll tell you what he said. 25, 50, 75, 100. 125, 150, 175, 200. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Peppy. And really fast, before our test, we'll go over these, okay? Let's see. So here's our cup, right? Here's our cup. Juice box. Here is, what's this called? Daniela, what do we call this? A pint. How many cups are in a pint, Daniela? 2. Okay, here we have a quart. A quart. Samuel, how many pints in a quart, Samuel? Pints. 2. How many cups in a quart, Samuel? 4. Okay, this big one, Evan, we call this a, what, Evan? A gallon. How many how many quarts? How many quarts in a gallon? 4, okay? Okay, so if you do not have your paper, this one right here, page number 153 and 154. You do not have that, why don't you get that right now, okay? If you don't have it, you get that and I have to go, because I forgot to go get mine. Okay, I'm back. I forgot to get the cards. Okay, so is everybody ready? Is everybody ready for your test? Okay, we're going to start on this side at the top. Okay? Are you ready? Well, let's start right here first. Let's start right here first with A. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay? A. A. Here we go. 12 minus 5. B. 8 plus 5. C. 9 plus 5. D. 6 plus 5. E. 14 14, take away 5. And F, 11 minus 5. Okay? Those are the ones for today. Okay. Now, up at the top, here we go. First, we have a pint. The pint. Boop, 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 this guy. The Sula orange juice, okay? How many cups are in a pint? Put that right there, please. How many cups are in a pint? Next, we have the quart, like our leche, right? You got a lot of you guys drink the red ones. Here's our, okay. How many pints in a quart? And the third one is our gallon. Okay, we have a gallon. Here's our gallon, right? How many quarts in a gallon? Okay, got that one? Cool. Okay. Okay, down below we have a story problem. But I have a guest here. I'm going to stop this and I'll be back in a minute, okay? Be back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, back to our story problem here with the Christmas tree. Okay, you ready? It says here the Brown family decorated their Christmas tree. Now, if you come to church, we have a Christmas tree there too. It's very pretty. And we are going to have a Christmas service the night before Christmas. December 24th at 6 o'clock, we'll have a culto, okay? If you want to come and see or whatever, okay? But it says the Brown family decorated their Christmas tree. Ben hung 2 silver balls. Silver is plástico. 2 balls, 2 of the pelotas that were silver, and 7 that were oro, okay? 2 silver, 7 gold ones. How many did he hang all together? So remember, you need to make your number sentence. Right? Right, there you go. Make sure you write your number sentence, right? Okay, make sure you put your signs in there. Some of you forgot your signs before. Okay, so that's your first one. The second one down below. Oh, Barb, she made some scarves for her family. Okay, she made 5 scarves. Okay, she made 5 scarves. She wrapped 4 of them up to give away as Christmas presents. But the other, okay, she wrapped 4 of them up to give away as Christmas presents. How many were left over that did not get wrapped up? Okay, so she wrapped up, she had 5, she made 5. She wrapped up 4. How many were left over? Okay, so there's, make sure you write your number sentence. Had 5, wrapped up 4, how many are left over? Okay, now down at the bottom are 3 rows. We have some bells, some Christmas balls, and some candy canes. Ooh, who likes candy canes? I like to put them in my coffee. That's good. Okay, now what you need to do, here's what the directions say. Listen carefully and you read along with me. Mark the circle to the left, this circle over here, of the rows that have 1 dozen. It says rows. So you count. If there are 1 dozen things there, you mark that circle. If there are not 1 dozen things there, are you going to mark it? Okay. Mark the circles that have 1 dozen things in them. Okay. Cool. Easy, easy. Just count. Okay, you can come back to that one. Let's flip the side. Because this side you're going to need help with, okay? Okay. Now, here we have, over here. Okay, we're going to do this with money. Okay, let me, Go find my money. Stay right there. Don't run away. Gotta stop the film. Lost the money.